Some guy is at his favorite spot for the first time this year. It is like March 29th, 2026. And this is the Champo Road fishing area. I've got my new beast right here. Little update. So far I've changed out the passenger side rear caliper, rotor, and pads. I've done the fuel lines, the vapor line, and the it's like there's two. There's the intake and the return. I replaced those. I got a new gas cap that actually clicks and locks. I got a new radiator cap. I have the rotors and pads for the other three wheels. I'm going to be doing the shocks front and rear, the stabilizer link bars or the sway bar links for the front, the water pump, the clutch fan, the serpentine belt, tensioner pulley and idler pulley, and thermostat, and oh yeah, and today I'm going to be doing, I got a new drain plug for the transmission fluid pan, which I'm going to be doing in a minute or two. I've got somewhere here, I have the wrench. I guess I took it out already. Yeah. It's gonna take a 15. Bump, bump, bump. So I'm gonna go get the pan and transmission fluid. I'm gonna let it drain out. I'm gonna remove the old plug and put in the new plug. I'm gonna put you down under there when I'm down there, so that way you can check it out yourself. But yeah, that's it for part one of some guy working on his beast mobile. So yeah, I'll see you in part two.